Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a low-budget used car in Pakistan that is fuel-efficient, easy to maintain, and perfect for daily city driving, then this video is for you. Today, I am showing you a Suzuki Alto VXR 2003 for sale in Pakistan. This car runs on CNG and petrol, and the AC system is installed. If you want a cheap family car, a budget daily driver, or a starter car, watch this video till the end for full details and final price. Exterior condition. Let's start with the exterior of the car. The overall body condition is fair for a 2003 model. There are touch-ups on about 50% of the body, which is normal for a car of this age. The paint looks decent, and the panels are aligned properly. There are no major dents. The lights and indicators are working fine. If you are searching for a budget used car in Pakistan and you care more about engine condition than fresh paint, this car is a practical option. Interior condition. Now let's move inside. The interior is simple and usable for daily driving. The seats are in fair condition. The dashboard and trims are okay for a car of this age. All basic controls are working. The driving position is easy and comfortable. This car is suitable for office use, ride within the city, and small family travel. If you need a cheap small car for city traffic, this Alto is easy to drive and easy to park. Engine, CNG and performance. Now let's talk about the most important part, the engine. The engine condition is good and reliable. The car runs on CNG and petrol, so you can switch according to availability and cost. This helps save fuel money for daily commuting. The engine starts smoothly and runs without unusual noise. The pickup is decent for city use. The suspension is okay and comfortable for daily roads. Gear shifting is smooth, and the clutch is light. Overall, the car gives a smooth drive for daily use. AC, comfort and practicality. The AC setup is installed, but the AC is currently not working. You can get the AC gas filled or serviced if needed. Even without AC, the car is usable for daily short drives. The heater works fine. This car is practical for buyers who want a low-price car and can later spend a little on AC service if required. Fuel average and maintenance. Fuel average on CNG is economical, which is great for daily city travel. On petrol, the average is also reasonable for a small engine car. The maintenance cost is low, and spare parts are easily available in the local market. Any local mechanic can repair this car. This is why Alto is considered one of the best low-maintenance cars in Pakistan. If you want a cheap car to run, this is a good option. Documents and final details. The documents are complete and clear. The car is ready for transfer. This is a budget home-used car suitable for someone who wants a cheap daily driver. You can use this car for office travel, market visits, and short family trips. There is no major work required for daily driving. Final price and closing. The demand is PKR 630,000, which is reasonable for this model and condition. If you are looking for a used Suzuki Alto in Pakistan under budget, this deal is worth considering. For more details and contact information, check the description. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with friends who are searching for a low-budget car in Pakistan. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.